हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल जहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं पाइथन सीरीज इन हिंदी। और ये सीरीज का सेकंड वीडियो है जिसमें हम देखने वाले हैं कि पाइथन को हम इंस्टॉल कैसे करेंगे और हम जो आईडी यूज करेंगे वो VS कोड करेंगे। तो दोनों को कैसे इंस्टॉल करना है हम देखेंगे। तो फॉर दैट वी गो टू द URL पाइथन और you can search in Google Python downloads. So you will go to the Python official website from where you can download the latest version. You can download the latest version and when you downloading it start downloading. After that you can install from here also, or you can go to the folder, so you can install. As I have already installed, so it will take some time. For Linux also there are versions given. So in Linux you can install using yum command also, yum install python, so it will automatically download and install your system. It will take some time. So it got installed. Now we can download VS Code. Like Python we installed, you can install according to your operating system. You can download for Windows and install like Python we have installed. So as I have already installed, so we can so here it got installed and we can check using command mode also that whether it got installed or not. We can type python minus v. So as you can see that Python is installed, so it's showing so many versions and so many files. So after got installed, now we can make a simple program to test whether it is working or not. So we will make one for that. So already a folder is there. In that we make a new file named anything. So we will let's make test.py. So here we can type a simple print command. In that we will print hello world, no semicolon required. So we can go to terminal and go to the folder in which the file is there. So to run this file we have to type python followed by the file name test.py. So as you can see, the output is there. So that means we have installed the python also, and in VS Code we can use python to have our practice. So इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. If you like this video, please share and subscribe and comment also. Thank you.